One time I did. I like sometimes I kind of miss it when she does it, but the one time I was there and like I joke around, I was just like, I'll block for your son too. I got some cookies and some brownies. It's amazing. The week I did it was home. I think it was Maryland. The week of the Maryland game. I don't think I had a note. I don't think Mott's had a note, but I'm pretty sure. I know she does that for the linemen. But like one time I like joked around. I got it.